Hey everyone, are you looking for a simple and exciting game to help your students build their vocabulary? Today, I'll show you how to play an easy and engaging category game called Stickmen. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Setting up the game. First, divide your students into teams of 3 or 4. If you have a small group, the game can also be played individually or in pairs. Next, assign each team a number and write their numbers on the board. Now, draw 3 stickmen next to each number. These stickmen represent the team's lives. Every team starts with 3 lives. Step 2. Explaining the rules. In this game, teacher will call out a category, for example, food and drink. Teams will take turns saying one word that relates to the category. For instance, if the category is food and drink, they might say hamburger, pizza, juice, milk. But here's the twist. Each team only has 5 seconds to give their answer. If they take too long, repeat a word, or fail to give a word, they lose one of their stickmen. When a team loses all 3 of their stickmen, they're out of the round. The game continues with the same category until only one team is left standing. That team wins the round and earns a point. Here are some tips for success. Choose categories that match your students' abilities to keep it fun and fair. Encourage students to listen carefully to avoid repeating words. If your group is advanced, try making the time limit shorter or using more challenging categories. And that's it. Stickmen is a fantastic way to get students thinking quickly and working as a team. It's easy to set up, keeps everyone engaged, and helps build vocabulary in a fun way. Try it out in your next class and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun teaching ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.